What's going on, guys? It's pretty late out right now. Me and Jeremy are fixing to head up to a car meet. So he's taking his Civic. It just got a fresh oil change, new oil filter. The axles are put in, and as you can see, the hood, front bumper, and fenders are all put back on. And this is like its maiden voyage, and he's just kind of sending it, just going straight to a car meet that's like an hour and a half away. It hasn't even been driven except for right now. And I'm in the MR2, I have it over here. It's still idling and getting some of the snow off of it because it was outside and it snowed these last couple days. So she's a little cold, but warming her up, and then we're gonna be on our way. Right now we're in the car wash because Jeremy just wanted to rinse his car off real quick since it was dirty, even though it is freezing out. We don't have anything else going on for tonight, so I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. And yeah, we'll see where tonight goes. Did it do all right?
Yeah, dude. Just
made it?
It's fine. I'm just trying not to pass like 3,500 RPM.
Yeah.
Like coast it down.
But it's running good though? That's good. Kind of ballsy just to drive it out here. We've never driven it at all.
I know, this is the first time I take it out.
And we're just sending it.
Good though.
Up to the meet, got the MR2 and Jeremy's Civic posted up over here. There's actually a lot of people out for how cold it is. So we're gonna walk around real quick and just hang out. Damn. The Evo section. Bro, you guys haven't made out here.
Hell yeah.
Watch out.
Dude, those things are pretty quick. You guys should race them right now.
Alright, dude, I'm down.
Yeah, why does it have this little like middle thing?
Man, it helps you turn.
Oh, that's sweet.
Oh, he's warming up.
I want to see this race go down.
Alright.
That's so cool. Pass the Escalade and then whoever passes it first wins. Right.
Yeah, whoever gets past that Escalade first.
Go.
Yeah, in case I die.
In case you die. Just for the whole world to see again. Oh Lord. Hey! The underflow though.
That's touchy.
Hey. He's ghost riding it. Oh, what the heck? You're controlling off of your phone?
Yeah.
What the heck? Dude, that's freaking crazy.
I just don't want to run into someone's car right now.
How do you get off now? Bro, some MR2s right now?
I feel like I should park mine right by them.
Dude, that black one's so nice.
Yo, I'm gonna pull mine up right here.
Way I smoke the blunts, man, I burn them.
MR2 squad. Look at that.
Where'd you come from? You got snow on your car. Right.
Boostedboiz!
What's up?
Damn, not VTEC. All right, so we made it back from the meet last night. My battery did get pretty low, so had to cut the video a little short. Something we forgot to mention is that Jeremy did get a actual return line put on, so it's not just that fish tank tube anymore. So that's good to go. He also threw on his intake pipe right there. So engine bay is looking nice. I don't think you guys have seen it all put together yet with the fenders and everything. He said it was running pretty good, right?
Yeah, I mean, I just babied it. I mean, it's still breaking in, so I didn't really get on it. You're not supposed to, so.
I mean, we still probably got a good, what, like 100 something miles on it just last night for sure.
Yeah.
So she's running good. Just gonna break it in a little more. Probably give it another oil change here pretty soon, and then it will only be a matter of time until we boost it. Not sure how long that's gonna be, but you know, probably within the next couple weeks we'll start getting some stuff ready for it. There's a chance we might try to tune it all motor. We're just not sure yet, but Jeremy is interested to see what it makes all motor. He just wants to know. So we might throw it on the dyno just to see. But yeah, so we made it back. The MR2 was running good as well. I did plan on starting on the S14 today, but we were slacking a little bit. It's already dark out, getting pretty late. So I think what we're gonna do for right now is actually just get Jeremy's car pulled out, and we're just gonna bring the S14 in for tonight and just get it ready for tomorrow. I think right after I get out of class, we're just gonna try to start working on it as soon as we can, and hopefully get the motor ripped out, and then, you know, just start figuring out what's wrong with that thing and get it back up and running. So we're gonna be pulling his car out right now, and I think we're gonna be pulling the minivan out as well, because he still needs to do a couple more things to this. So we're just gonna bring his car and put it in right where the minivan's at, and then probably just leave the minivan outside, and yeah, get the S14 in here, and we'll just have it ready for tomorrow. All right, so we just got the 240 pulled in. We took the valve cover off, and something I forgot to tell you guys is before we left to Florida, we were driving this thing around, and we were a couple blocks away, and I did one quick little pull, and then I was actually gonna drop Jeremy off to you know, film a flyby, and then right as I dropped him off and I was getting ready to go, just from an idle, the motor just stopped running, and then from there it just like locked up, and I was trying to turn it over, nothing, and then we even tried to like put it into gear and push start it, and right when you let up on the clutch, the whole thing would just lock up the tires. Like, this motor is seized. So we just pulled the valve cover off just to check if like the timing chain might have snapped or something. Then we also pulled all the spark plugs out just to make sure it wasn't like hydrolocked by some chance, and it doesn't seem like any of that is the issue from what I can tell. I mean, I can't really see down in there, but the timing chain looks like it's intact, and there's no fuel in the cylinders. So honestly, I don't know what happened. It might have like overheated and locked up because it is low on coolant, but it does have a temp gauge that I hope is working, because it said it was only like halfway, because I was watching the temp gauge the whole time. But maybe it got hot, I don't know. Either way, we can't turn it over. We tried turning it both ways by putting a wrench on the pulley right there, and she's pretty seized up. When you hit the starter, it just clicks. There was no loud noise when it happened. There's no puddle of oil or anything like that, so I don't think it threw a rod, and there's no holes in the side that I can see. It was literally just idling, and it just like slowly came to a stop, and it just died. So not sure what happened. So either way, we're gonna have to pull this thing out. No matter what it is, we're obviously gonna get her fixed up. And yeah, we do have it in the garage now. Tomorrow we're gonna get this thing pulled out and then, you know, we'll start taking the motor apart and seeing what's wrong with it, and hopefully get her back on the road here pretty soon. All right, guys, and real quick to end this video, we did get a couple packages that I'm gonna open up real quick. We have gotten a lot of things from you guys that I haven't really showed on camera. I do appreciate everything you guys send, and I figured I should start doing some more like unboxing and unpackaging on camera, because I really do appreciate what you guys send us. A lot of it is really helpful. I'm only gonna open like 4 things right now. We have gotten a lot more packages than that, and there's some other little things that I'll just try to show here and there, you know, for some other videos. I'm not just gonna go through everything right now, but we did get some other things that I'll show later. But for right now, I'm gonna cut these open real quick. This is from YNS Lexan.
What is that, boy?
Looks like we got some t-shirts.
Ooh.
YNS Lexan. I wonder if that's for like Lexan windows. Oh, red EK hatch. What's that? It says
it.
There's a whole bunch of them in here. Oh,
look
sick.
at that.
There it is. It's got a little outline of the hatch on the back. That's tight. I know some people did hit us up about Lexan windows. I don't know if this is from them.
Oh, there's a note.
Here. There's a note. Yep, yeah, this is them. I don't know how to say your name. I apologize, but this is Yvette. I'm gonna call you Yvette.
It's Yvette. Yvette, yeah, that's how you
I don't know how you
say
say
it.
that.
Yvette.
Yvette. This is Yvette and Steve from YNS. Oh, that makes sense, YNS. Yvette and Steve Lexan. Talked to you a few months ago on Instagram about our Lexan windows. Really enjoy your videos. We've been watching since the very beginning. Love the hard work and motivation you guys have. Keep up the good work. And also get started on a boosted H2B Integra. Have you ever considered going H2B? Yes, I have. But I don't know, I kind of like having the Accord trainings because they're cheap at the junkyards. We started selling t-shirts and we figured we'd send you a few. Feel free to hand one over to Brent if he wants one. I'm sure he will. And I'll give him one tomorrow. Hopefully we can talk more in the future. I do remember you guys messaging us. And I will be replying to you guys. I actually completely forgot about all that.
Open that one.
I just never wanted to pull the trigger about getting Lexan windows for the hatch. Let me know what you guys think. Should we put Lexan windows on the hatch? It'd be pretty tight. It'd just be like the 2 back ones and probably the back glass. Save some weight. White EK coupe. This one's yours.
Swatty.
Hunter Tuned on YouTube and Facebook. Looks like we got some injectors.
Ooh, nice.
All right, so a guy named Hunter sent us these. They came off a Chevy Tahoe, and he says they flow about 1,000 cc's. He was saying he sent them, it'd be sweet to go on Jeremy's Civic, and he said he runs them in a Fox Body Mustang, and it goes 10-1 in the quarter. So, I mean, we don't have injectors yet for Jeremy's car, so we might as well try them.
I guess.
See how much they flow, see if they work. So, that'll work out good for us. I'm just not sure if they're all as right sizes, and we need like the little O-rings on the bottom and on top. But I mean, they should work. You wanna try them in your car?
I guess, man.
You try them out. You just have to cut your harness for these pigtails. Been a subscriber since 100K. Thank you very much, Hunter.
Sweet. Thanks,
We'll
Hunter.
see if these injectors work. Oh my gosh. It's a freaking soccer ball magnet, dude, for the minigame.
Oh my god.
Yes.
That's cool.
Yes.
Soccer ball.
I'm stoked on this one. Thank you. Did this one have a note?
Where's it from, or where is it from?
Soccer ball car magnet. No, I don't think it had a note.
Oh man.
Oh wait, there it is, there it is. Hi Boosted Boys, the van isn't complete without this. From Brian in Lakewood, Colorado. Ooh,
local. Could have gave us a 2x of that.
Thank you, Brian.
Meats.
I am stoked on this one, honestly.
That's cool, dude.
I'm gonna go slap him over it.
Just throw it on there and see if it sticks.
I mean, we'll get a better picture of it in the day.
There it is.
Look at that. That's going on the back.
The soccer ball.
Dude, that's sweet. That's awesome. I'm just gonna slap her on the hood so I don't forget about it. But that will be going on the back. Ooh, I love these things. It's like extreme bubble wrap.
Dang, dude.
They're loud.
Skiddy pop pop.
I'm glad I was able to gift this to you. Loving the van videos. I got you 2 of them just in case. From Brad. He actually did email me about this, so I was expecting these.
What is that?
This is an install kit for the radio.
Oh, sweet.
Because we don't have an install kit for the radio. So he works at Best Buy, I guess, and he's able to hook it up with some install kits. And I guess now we got 2. So thank you a lot. Definitely gonna put that on real soon. So thank you, Brad, for those. And that's gonna be it for the unboxings. Like I said, we did get some more stuff that I'll show later on. And I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.